What if I told you there's a way to earn over $34,000 a month creating digital products with minimal investment and no physical inventory? Sounds unreal, right? It's not just possible. It's happening right now. Digital products are the ultimate side hustle or even full-time business. Why? Because they're incredibly profitable, with the high margins of around 91%, require minimal effort thanks to AI tools, and tap into untapped niches where demand is soaring. Whether you're an artist, a professional, or a total beginner, this is a game changer. People are using AI to build scalable, passive income streams, and today I'm sharing the 7 incredible digital product ideas that you can create using these tools. Each product builds on the next, creating a full toolkit for making money online. Stick around because I'll dive into exactly how to create each one. By the end, you'll be ready to start your digital product empire. First digital product on my list is stunning seamless patterns. Have you ever thought that something as simple as a pattern could earn you tens of thousands of dollars? Well, it can. Take the shop Sweet Shop Designs, for example. They've earned over $70,000 by selling seamless patterns for scrapbooking, digital papers, and other creative uses. Their patterns are priced as low as $195, yet their consistent sales prove just how in demand these designs are. With only 35 listings, Sweet Shop Design shows that this isn't about flooding the market. It's about offering high-quality designs that customers love. So, how can you create patterns like this? AI tools like MidJourney make it incredibly simple. Start by generating a pattern with descriptive prompts. For instance, you could type floral seamless pattern with pastel tones, vintage design. Within moments, MidJourney will produce a design tailored to your request. Once you have your base image, you can refine it using Photopea, a free alternative to Photoshop. This tool allows you to clean up the design, adjust colors, or make it repeatable for seamless applications. Once your pattern is polished, the final step is to bundle it with other designs. Grouping similar patterns, like florals, geometrics, or seasonal themes, makes your product more appealing. List your bundles on platforms like the Etsy, where there's already a thriving market for these designs. And the best part? AI does most of the heavy lifting. You don't need advanced graphic design skills or expensive software. MidJourney and Photopea handle the complex parts, leaving you with a process that's both beginner-friendly and efficient. If patterns can be this simple and profitable, imagine stepping into a market where customers spend thousands. Welcome to the world of weddings, wedding templates. Now let's step into the magical and lucrative world of weddings. Weddings are one of the most profitable niches out there, and for good reason. Couples want every detail to be perfect. Take the shop Wild Bloom Printables as an example. They've earned over $1.6 million by selling wedding templates like invitations, RSVP cards, and seating charts. Their designs are simple yet elegant, proving that you don't need overly complex creations to succeed. The demand for these products is endless, with couples constantly searching for customizable and affordable options to bring their dream wedding to life. Creating wedding templates with AI is easier than you might think. Start by using MidJourney to generate design concepts. For instance, you could prompt minimalist wedding invitation with gold accents and floral details. AI will generate beautiful options that look like they took hours to create. Once you have a design you love, bring it into the Photopea to clean up any imperfections or unwanted elements. From there, move the design to the Canva, where you can add editable text boxes for names, dates, and other details, making the template easy for customers to customize. To maximize your earning potential, don't stop at just invitations. Create bundles that include matching RSVP cards, seating charts, menus, and thank you notes. Offering complete wedding sets not only increases the perceived value, but also makes your shop a one-stop solution for couples planning their big day. What makes wedding templates so special is their emotional appeal. Weddings are deeply personal, and couples want designs that reflect their unique style. By offering customizable templates, you're not just selling a product, you're helping people create memories they'll cherish forever. Templates are amazing for personal moments like weddings, but what about guides that solve everyday problems? Let's explore the potential of digital guides. High-demand digital guides. Let's talk about digital guides, one of the most versatile and profitable products you can create. Imagine a product that solves a problem, answers a question, or teaches a new skill, all while generating passive income. That's exactly what real estate guides have done for some creators. For instance, a shop specializing in real estate buyer and seller guides has earned over $240,000 by offering simple, step-by-step resources for agents to provide their clients. These guides cater to a need, are easy to produce, and have incredible scalability. Creating a digital guide is straightforward, thanks to AI. Start by using the ChatGPT to outline your guide. Let's say you want to create a fitness planner. Ask ChatGPT. Draft an outline for a beginner's fitness guide, including weekly workout plans and tips for staying motivated. The AI will generate a detailed structure, which you can then use to draft the content. Once the text is ready, bring it into the Canva for formatting. Add visuals, infographics, or charts to make the guide more engaging and professional looking. Canva offers pre-made templates that make make it easy to create polished designs, even if you're not a graphic designer. The beauty of guides is their versatility. You're not limited to real estate or fitness. You can create travel itineraries, meal prep plans, small business checklists, or even Airbnb hosting guides. The possibilities are endless, and the market for solutions-based products is enormous. People love guides because they're actionable, easy to follow, and save time. While guides help people learn and grow, businesses need something visual to stand out. Logos are the next step. Logos for small businesses. Every successful business starts with a memorable logo, and the demand for creative, high-quality logo designs has never been higher. Take Logo Lanes, for example, a shop that has earned up to $1.6 million by selling logo packs on Etsy. Their logos are simple yet professional, catering to small businesses that want to stand out without spending a fortune. This success proves there's a massive market for logos, especially when they're bundled with additional branding elements. Creating logos with AI is easier than ever. Start by brainstorming ideas with the ChatGPT. Let's say you want to create logos for coffee shops. Ask ChatGPT, give me 10 creative logo concepts for coffee shops, each with a unique theme or style. Once you have your ideas, use MidJourney to bring them to life. For example, you could prompt, modern coffee shop logo with a steaming mug, brown and beige tones, minimalist design. MidJourney will generate multiple variations, allowing you to select the best designs. Next, refine your chosen logo using Photopea, a free Photoshop alternative. Remove any unwanted text or AI artifacts, and ensure the design is clean and professional. Export the final logo in multiple formats, like PNG and SVG, to cater to different client needs. This small step ensures your logos are ready for websites, business cards, and social media. What's amazing about this process is its accessibility. You don't need years of graphic design experience or expensive software to create stunning logos. AI tools handle the creative heavy lifting while you focus on refining and packaging the final product. It's a game changer for anyone looking to break into the design world with minimal barriers. Logos are a great start, but businesses also need another essential. Let's talk about business cards. Business card templates. If you've ever received a beautifully designed business card, you know how powerful it can be. Business cards are a staple for professional networking, and many small businesses turn to Etsy and other platforms for customizable, affordable templates. Successful shops like Logo Lane don't stop at logos. They upsell business card templates as part of branding packages, creating additional value for their customers. By bundling logos and business cards, these shops generate more revenue while meeting a wider range of customer needs. Creating business card templates is simple with AI. Start by generating design ideas using the MidJourney. For example, prompt the AI with modern business card design for a tech startup, minimalist style with dark tones. MidJourney will give you unique and professional layouts tailored to your vision. Once you have a design you like, import it into the Canva. There you can add editable text fields for names, titles, and contact information, making the template customizable for buyers. To maximize your sales, offer industry-specific designs. For example, create business cards for real estate agents, fitness trainers, or creative freelancers. Alternatively, bundle your business cards with matching logos and branding elements, allowing clients to purchase a complete visual identity package. These bundles not only increase perceived value, but also help differentiate your offerings from competitors. Despite the rise of digital communication, business cards remain a practical and professional staple. They're tangible, easy to share, and leave a lasting impression in ways that a quick email exchange cannot. This makes them an evergreen product that's always in demand. Helping businesses thrive is one thing, but what about individuals looking for their next big opportunity? Resume templates are perfect for this. Resume templates. When it comes to job hunting, a well-designed resume can make all the difference. That's why resume templates are a perennial favorite on platforms like Etsy. Take the shop Get Landed, for example. They've earned over $723,000 by offering simple, professional-looking resumes. Their secret? Designs that are not only visually appealing, but also optimized for ATS, applicant tracking systems, making it easier for job seekers to get noticed by recruiters. Creating resume templates with AI is both efficient and rewarding. Start by using the ChatGPT to draft the content. Ask it to create sections tailored to specific industries, such as tech, healthcare, or marketing. For example, write an ATS-friendly summary section for a software engineer's resume. This ensures your templates meet the technical requirements recruiters look for while remaining professional and polished. Next, design the layouts in Canva. Offer a variety of styles, minimalist designs for corporate roles, and more creative options for industries like design or media. Make sure your templates are customizable, with editable text fields for names, job titles, and experience. To add even more value, include a step-by-step guide to help buyers fill out the template effectively. This extra touch not only helps customers, but also positions your product as a comprehensive solution. Resume templates are incredibly versatile and evergreen. Job seekers from all walks of life life need them, and they're often willing to pay for high-quality designs that set them apart. By offering templates in multiple styles and formats, you can appeal to a wide audience and ensure steady demand for your products. While resumes help individuals stand out, product mockups help sellers shine. Let's finish strong with an idea that ties everything together: eye-catching product mockups. Have you ever scrolled through a marketplace like Etsy, saw a product listing, and thought, wow, this looks incredible? Chances are, what caught your eye wasn't just the product, it was the mockup. Mockups are the unsung heroes of digital product sales. They help customers imagine how the product will look in real life. Whether it's a mug sitting on a cozy wooden table, a sleek poster hanging in a minimalist living room, or a vibrant t-shirt ready to wear, a great mockup bridges the gap between imagination and reality. Take shops like Ratty Tank, for example. They've sold over 88,000 items, earning an estimated $33,000, primarily by showcasing their products with stunning mockups. Another shop specializing in frame mockups has racked up 32,000 sales, generating $98,000 in profit. These sellers know that a beautifully staged mockup can elevate even the simplest product, making it more desirable and professional. Customers aren't just buying a file or a design, they're buying the promise of how amazing it will look in their home, office, or shop. Mockups also make listings stand out in crowded marketplaces. On platforms like Etsy, where thousands of sellers compete for attention, high-quality mockups can be the deciding factor for a buyer. They convey trust, creativity, and professionalism, making your products irresistible to shoppers. The demand for these visual assets is huge. Small business owners, Etsy sellers, and creatives are constantly searching for the perfect mockups to enhance their own listings. And the best part? You can create them quickly and efficiently using AI. With mockups, the saying, "A picture is worth 1,000 words," couldn't be truer. They tell the story of your product in a way that words alone simply can't. How to create mockups. Meanie 1. Generate visuals with MidJourney. Use prompts like mug mockup on a rustic wooden table with morning light, or poster mockup on a minimalist wall. 2. Refine in Photo P. Clean up any imperfections and adjust the lighting or colors to enhance realism. 3. Create bundles. Offer mockups for popular products like mugs, t-shirts, frames, or digital screens. Create seasonal or themed collections to attract more buyers. And there you have it. 7 high-demand digital products you can create using AI, complete with step-by-step instructions. From seamless patterns to stunning mockups, each idea offers massive potential to build a scalable, passive income stream. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this How to Make Money video tutorial and found the content interesting and informative. Please like, leave a comment, and share your questions below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I upload new videos. And of course, subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.